Hi, I am Yogesh Sripati Mitkal. Today's date is 30 July 2021, and our today's topic is what is a tree map and hash map in a Java programming language. Now, this is a now in that the tree map or hash map in that both have a same, but in that the tree map they were adding some element. At that way, these elements are a sorted manner in a console. So that is in the tree map. And in the hash map, there also in the hash map are created by using the two techniques. First one is array list and second one is linked list. So both techniques are together and that the hash map is created. So first of all we are telling about the or we also discuss about the tree map in a Java programming language. Now in that the tree map is implement the map interface and negotiate map, means the map is sorted according to the natural ordering of the its keys. So the provided at that there is a map creation time and depending upon the constructor is used. So depending on which constructor are used, the pros to and the efficient of the sorting and sorting the keys and values of that pairs. So these are in the tree map. The second is the sorting order consistent with equals to just like an any sorted map. In that the irrespective of the implicity comparators, the tree map implementation is not synchronized in the sense that if a map is accessed by a multiple threads concurrently and at least one of the threads modifies the map structurally, it must be synchronized externally. So this is the process is in the tree map. In the tree map, for example, we consider a tree. In that the tree class there are some we are taking integer key and string value. Both values are constructed by using parameterized constructor. Another have two object like as a left and right. At that the condition, now we taking a add some value or a key or string. At that time the first of all we first adding some key. At that time this key is a temp or our it and the temp dot key. At that condition where our key is example is 10, so now second addition adding some element, that element have a 5. At that condition these 5 are placed at the left side of the temp dot key, means first key is 10, that key is temp dot key, second key is 5, then this 5 key is sorted in the left side. Now another key is 15, the 15 is sorted in the right side of the 10. At that the condition, so these are the element are taking in the tree map system. So after the this disorder, at that the condition we print out the sorting array or sorting the element of the array, like as it only sorted by its own. So there are performing various on a operations on a tree map. After the introduction of the tree map, we are also possible restrict the type of the object that can be stored in the tree map. Now let's see perform of the few frequently used for the performance in the tree map. Now in the tree map, we are adding the element. In that, in order to add an element to the tree map, we can use the put method in the tree map. However, the insertion of the element by using the put method for every element. The keys are compared and sorted in the ascending order in that the condition. Now second is a operations on the tree map is changing the element. In that the after the adding of element, if we wish to change the element, then it can be used for that the this method. So next another method is a removing element. So in that the in order to remove the an element from a tree map, we can use the remove method. So that is why this method is used for that the condition. Now second method is a iterating through the tree map, means there are multiple ways to iterate through the map. The most famous way is used to for the each loop for the get the keys. The value of the key is founded by using the get value method. So that method is used for the value of the getting the value of the method. Now there are some features of the tree map is as follows. This class is member of class or member of collection frameworks. Now second feature is the class implements map interfaces including navigable map, sorted map and extended abstracted map class. It's are in that process. Now third one is a tree map in Java does not allow null keys like map, and thus the null pointer exception is thrown out and multiple null values can be associated with the different keys. Now last and fourth features of the tree map in Java programming, the entry pairs returned by the methods in this class and its view present the symptomness and mapping of the they do not support the entry dot value it. So this is are the all about the tree map in a Java programming language. Now second is what is a hash map in a Java programming language. Now the Java hash map class implements the map interface which allows to use the store key and values in the hash map, where key should be unique. If you are insert a duplicate key at that condition, there is a only it save or only replace the element of the corresponding key. It is easy to perform operation by using the in that. So another hash map in a Java programming language is a legally or hash table class, but it is not synchronized. It allows us to store the null element, so that's why, and we will but put the should be only key, since the Java 5 it is denoted by the hash map. Now in that the hash map there are some array list and linked list are getting together. The both have conditions or collection frameworks are both together in a hash map. In that the hash map we also adding the element at the sorted manner. In that case where our data is more, at that the condition we create a first array, and at that array we also concluded its index, and in that index we also another linked list. So in that the case there are various number of linked list are in the program. At that the condition this the hash map is used for that case. So this is a very useful in a Java programming language. There are the some points to be remember in the hash map is a Java hash map contains the value based on the key. In that the value also based but key also used. In that the key store the value. So that's why this hash map is also required. The Java hash map contains the unique keys. So these unique keys are very important in a Java programming language. In that the third remember point is the Java point may have one null key and multiple null values. So that's why this is a very useful. And Java hash map is non-synchronized. Java hash map maintains order, and the initial default capacity of the Java hash map class is 16 with load factor of 0.75. So this is the all about the points are the Java hash map. Now the hierarchical of the hash map is in that the below figure. Now there are some constructor used in a hash map. Now first of all we consider the hash map. It is used to construct the default hash map. Now second construct is the hash map int capacity. Now in that it is used to initialize the capacity of the hash map to the given integer of capacity. So that's why it is used for the. There are some methods are used in the hash map. Void clear. In that method we remove all the mapping from this map. So that's why this remove method is used. Now second is a boolean is empty. In that there is return type if this map contains no key and no value contains, at that the condition this map is empty. So this method is used for that case. Now second is object clone. It is used to return a shallow copy of this hash map interface. So these keys and values themselves are not cloned. So that's why this is used for that case. So this is all about the hash map and tree map in a Java programming language. Okay, thanks.